Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the creamiest fresas con crema. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by disinfecting our strawberries. So transfer the strawberries to a glass bowl. Cover them with water. And add a good amount of white vinegar. We're just going to mix it and allow them to soak for 5 minutes. Right, after 5 minutes, our strawberries are ready. So now we're just going to take them to the sink and give them a good rinse. Now that we have our strawberries nice and clean, we're just going to pat them dry. Okay, so just make sure to completely dry them so like that they don't take water to the mixture. Okay, now we're just going to get ready to cut our strawberries, and you can cut them however you want or however big you want. Okay, once you have them, transfer them to your bowl. We repeat with the rest of our strawberries. Alright, so once we have our chopped strawberries, now we can get ready to make our crema. So to our bowl, we're going to add our 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and our sweetened condensed milk. And if you don't want your crema to be very sweet, you can just always add less of the condensed milk. But for me, 1 can is just perfect. We're just going to be beating it on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes or until our heavy cream thickens. Okay, so once our cream has thickened up, this is what it should look like. So now we're going to get ready to add our media crema along with half a cup of heavy cream. And this is just going to balance the sweetness of the cream, and just continue mixing for another 2 minutes. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our delicious creamy crema. Here we're just going to add our strawberries. To mix them in. Ready? So once we have them, now we're just going to place them in the refrigerator and allow them to refrigerate for at least 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that here in my house, we love fresas con crema. This is honestly the perfect dessert for this time of year. Everybody's just so perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This right here is seriously the best. The cream is nice and creamy. It's not too sweet, but of course, you know, like I said, if you don't want to add the whole condensed milk, you can always adjust it. But this right here is perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious fresas con crema. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.